Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily deactivate your Facebook account. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's start. First, open your Play Store or App Store because we need to make sure we have the Facebook app updated to the latest version for everything to run smoothly in the process. Here you go guys. Once you have it updated, or at least you have a new version, go ahead and quit the store and open your Facebook app. As you can see guys, obviously you will have to be logged into your Facebook account here. Once you do, you go to settings by tapping the three lines in the top right corner. From here you can go to settings by tapping the gear icon that should be in the top right corner next to that search icon, or you can tap on settings and privacy in the bottom. A little menu will extend from there, and then from here we go, settings, right under settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. Once in settings, we need to open Account Center, so tap on Account Center at the very top. And once in Account Center, you will have to go to Manage Accounts. Previously, you would have to go somewhere else, but Facebook changed things around, and now if you want to deactivate or even delete your account, you need to tap on Manage Accounts right there. From here, you can see there is the Manage button right facing Facebook. Go ahead and tap on Manage. And here you go, tap on deactivation or deletion. Usually you would find account deactivation or deactivate account selected by default. It's always the top or the first one here. Go ahead and keep it selected and tap on continue. In this screen you will have to type in your password. Of course you're gonna have to type it in correctly. If you have forgotten your password, you will have to recover it in order for you to complete this step. There is no way to work around it without a password. And let me type it in correctly. 1 second, and I'm gonna tap on next, and here we go. I'm gonna have to choose a reason. Why am I deactivating my account? I'm just gonna choose I'm taking a break. I'm gonna tap on continue. And now I'm gonna tap on the 7 days icon, as you can see guys, and then set it to until I reactivate it. Because if you don't, it's going to be reactivated automatically within that duration that is selected. After that, tap on continue, and then from here, once you tap on deactivate my account, your account will be deactivated successfully. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and thank you very much for watching.